time in the monitor. Thank you. So listen. Oh shit. Okay, listen. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get emotional. I've never actually talked about this like in the open, but 4 years ago when we were doing into the Electric Castle, I was having severe pain in my abdomen for a couple of those shows. So I was singing, and then going off stage and being in excruciating pain. And if you follow me, then you know that I had a very hard time after that. And it's just so nice to be back here. To still be here and be able to perform here for you. And now that I did this, I am absolutely in no way gonna make it through the song with a straight face. This is for you. Thank you for being. This is here to stay. I saw a ghost, and I really thought he came for us. When he walked in with his saddened smile, turns out he was just passing by. He took a bow, then said goodbye. It was a briefly terrifying moment, but luckily the sun began to rise. So let's wipe away our tears. We don't need to be afraid. Could this be right? Could this be right?